Welcome, in front of me is a UMIDIGI One Pro, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture, which as an example I'm just going to use the home screen. And once it's open, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down. No, let me try that again actually. There we go. Both of the keys got the same time, and you just seen the animation. So that was the indication that the screenshot has been captured, and now it can be found in your photo gallery. So you can see it, it's right here. That's the screenshot that I have captured. So that is how you would capture a screenshot, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.